Right, hello everybody. I'll tell you what I'm going to show you today is like a pocket thing made out of Amazon packaging, okay, with a tag, right, just to show you that, oh, I've got to put that back in, what you can do. Right, I did have this, as you know, near the middle, as the middle bit there, but when I tea stained this, I've trimmed it off a little bit more now, it shrunk. I don't know whether you've ever noticed that, but it actually did shrink because it went round okay and it shrunk like top to bottom. So I changed things around, which I actually prefer. So I put that now on the inside, okay? So that's there. I'll put the other ones back. They might not be in the right place, but I'm not sure whether I want that the other way around. I do. I want those numbers at the top. Like that. Yeah, that's better. Okay. So, oh, that's that one, yeah. I just took that out because I just stitched that on. That's all. Stitched that on that page. So that can go in there now. All right. What have I done for the middle? I don't think I've done anything for the middle in now, so I'll have to do something else, but that's not a problem. That's in there. That's that bag put there, and then at the moment we've got a plain piece. But I'm just going to carry on with this, but I have a feeling I might be able to add a few more pages because just see how much we get left over once this is a lot thicker, because that's going to take up about 3/4 of an inch, I expect, with that spine there once everything's in, so it will shorten here. So we shall see what happens. Oh, so yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. I put that in the middle, didn't I? I forgot already. Oh my gosh. Right, that's now in the middle, right? So we will make something out of that. So I think I'm going to put a pocket on that. Okay, like so. And it's mostly ready because I was just sort of playing around this morning, trying to get sort of back into things properly. And so I just sort of playing around with a few bits. I've got all my bits that were here in here at the moment, and with the other bits that I've come across that might go. Yeah, so I've stuck some bits and pieces in my little tray to play with, and I'll put the what's we made in there as well. There we are. Okay, clusters. Right, yep, so this is just a bit of Amazon packaging. I've glued it together, okay, and I'm going to make a topper out of it with a tag. So that's the tag. Okay, just print it out and put a grommet in at the moment. That's it. Right. So, but I think I'm going to use a bit of gesso. I haven't used any for a couple of days. So, I'm just going to put a bit of gesso on that. As you do. I haven't used any for a while, folks. So I've been really good, but I'm missing it. I like to go off the page, if you know what I mean, so that or else you tend to stop abruptly, and that's what I don't like. So I mean, you're not going to see half of this anyway, but okay. Let's give that a quick dry. Right, so that's dry now. I've got some ink on here, but mine might look a bit different to yours because sometimes I dab a bit of Rusty Hinge because that's a real wet ink pad, and I just put a little bit on and then I mix it all in to deepen it down a bit. Okay, just sort of things I tend to do. Right, so I'm just going to ink up around there. So I'm going to put a top on that anyway. Yes, if I would have left it, I wouldn't have left it like that. I would either put lace on the top or put a topper on, or I will rip it down. Yeah. So There we go. Right. This is just a bit of like real open weave lacy stuff, bit of lace on the back there, and then I put that on the top, and I just stitched right the way down, and then once you cut it on, because you can over stitch that. Okay, I think the first thing I'm going to do is just put this sticker on here. Okay, that's going to go on there just to give that a bit of something. Oh, that must probably be under. Sorry, it's a little bit that would have needed gluing down, but I think that'll go under something, so I'm not going to worry about that. Yeah. Okay, like that. Then I'm going to put some things in. I've got my little bag, sort of for the colours I'm using. Not much blue in here though, so just find a little bit of blue to go with, because we have got a bit of blue in here, so need to find a bit of blue to go in there. Oh, I'll tell you what I've got. Yeah, it's only a little bag. I'll just get a few bits out and put it in a bag, and it just inspires me on the colours where I'm going. I think I'm going to use this today. Okay, it's quite long, so it should be enough. I don't want it too long for that. That should be enough. Saying that, I most probably cut it too short. Done that a few times. It's absolutely glorious today. Cold, but sun is shining. Good job, because we got spring tides and the harbour is flooded. And it's come right up to the shop doors on the front. So it would have been disastrous if we'd had rain and a spring tide in Mevagissey. Wouldn't have been good. Been a totally different story. But I have posted it on my Facebook page. I think I shared it from somewhere else. So right, so I'm going to use that, but I'm going to layer loads of things underneath. Let's get rid of that white on there. Let's put that up. Oh, I know what I've got to do first is put this down. Let's do that first. Just ink up a little bit, not too much. And keep it as light as possible. I'm just wondering whether to come up even more, because I don't mind that over the page. Well, it's not gonna, I don't think it will, but I like to see it now and again. So, you know, poking out the top of the pages and that. So I might use them. Gosh, I haven't used these die cuts for ages, folks. I mean, gosh. Oh, we have all this stuff, don't we? Don't use half of it, but I still want it, and I still want to look at it, and I still do use it. But, so that's going to go over there. I think I'll stick that down now. So I'll stick that down sort of that way. Oh, not to I'm trying to keep this glue pointing downwards. That's it. Just so that I don't keep having to shake the bottle. And I need to use some so I can fill it up. So, right, let's have a look at our layering. Right, I can stitch over that. So what I'm going to do is just glue down the middle of this. Okay. But I am stitching around that, so I'll put that down as well. Definitely go in there. So this could be a topper for a page, you know, but I'm making it into a pocket, but it could be a topper. Oops. Okay. Right. So we've got room to tuck things underneath, or doily. We want that, don't we? Don't want that poking out at all because it was going to be near the spine, isn't it? So, okay. I wanted that slightly higher actually because oh, it might be all right. So look. Yeah, I did. So my glue's really forgiving, so I do want a bit over there. Like that. That's better. Okay, right, I'm just going to go and stitch around now. I might stitch it to the page now, because these little bits, because I might find a brighter butterfly. I'm not sure yet. I actually quite like that one. So, right. Okay, I'm going to stitch around. I'm only going to do this bit and up to here. Yeah. And then I'm going to stitch this to the page. Okay. And then, but not the top, right? Because that's our pocket. And then we can decorate some more. Okay, so I've done that. So I've got a nice big pocket here now. Okay, but I changed where I was going to put it because I liked it with this page here. Okay, and I thought here I might have a sort of corner tuck with a tag in or something. So yeah, I changed my mind on that. So let's stick these on. I'm going to put this on first. And I managed to put some glue in because I topped my 3-in-1 glue up, if you don't know already, with that one. Okay, it just makes the 3-in-1 go further, plus it saves me using acetone, so because that's quite runny, but it's brilliant. It's just similar to 3-in-1 but just runnier. So I'm going to put that there, right? And the butterfly I thought was going to go here, but I'm thinking maybe there now. Oops. Didn't really see any of the gesso, did you? That's all right. I know it's there. Right, and I will just put a little bit of glue under here, look, just on that edge. It's not too bad when vellum's embossed because you don't really see the glue so much. Okay, just put that there to keep that down. Yeah. Oh, got a bit of glue on there. There we are. Let's put this away. Stop getting it out, Andrea. I just like looking at it. So that's going to go there. So we need to make another big tag to go in here. Yeah, and then make something over here. Right, I'm sure I've got some bits of paper left from that, or that will work with it. So I'll take a look at that, but that's a little video today, very quick, but I'll do another one and I'll try and sort of do them, you know, more regularly. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching then. Hope you enjoyed that. And I think next I will do the tag and that page there. Okay.